Everyone is talking about high-protein meals. But what if you could own 150 HD recipe videos, 30 premium ebooks, and 600 viral shorts without filming anything? And even better, what if you could resell all of them and keep 100% of the profits? This might be the easiest digital business you'll launch this year. My quick verdict? Protein Meals recipe videos with unrestricted PLR is one of the most complete, profit-ready content packs I've seen on Warrior Plus in a long time. If you want plug-and-play content you can sell, rebrand, or use to build traffic fast, this one's a winner. So what exactly is Protein Meals recipe videos? It's a brand new, never-before-launched PLR bundle that gives you 150 HD protein meal recipe videos, 30 beautifully written recipe ebooks, full unrestricted PLR, meaning you can sell everything, plus a bonus of 600 plus viral shorts and reels. This is perfect for new and intermediate marketers, fitness creators, recipe bloggers, YouTube channels, TikTok, shorts creators, coaches, trainers, nutrition brands, or anyone who wants a ready-made digital product line. The biggest problem it solves? You don't need to film, edit, write, or produce any content. You get a complete content empire instantly. Here's a quick walkthrough of the dashboard. When you log in, you'll see all 150 HD videos neatly organized by category. These are professionally shot, high-protein recipe videos you can upload to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram immediately. Next, you've got the 30 premium recipe ebooks, divided into 3 niches: red meat and protein meals, vegan and plant-based eggs, and breakfast protein. Everything comes in editable formats, so you can add your branding, change colors, insert affiliate links, turn them into Kindle books, or sell them as standalone digital products. Scroll further down and you'll find the massive bonus, 600 plus healthy cooking shorts, and these are ready to upload, perfect for going viral and growing your accounts quickly. Download everything with one click. No tech skills needed. And remember, you have unrestricted PLR, meaning you can sell the videos, sell the ebooks, bundle them, add them to memberships, use them for clients. It's full commercial freedom. Now let's talk about the optional upgrades. OTO 1, Premium Expansion Pack. You get even more recipe videos, more ebooks, and advanced editing templates. Perfect if you want a bigger product line. OTO 2, Done-for-You Funnels plus Sales Pages. This gives you DFY sales pages, funnels, graphics, email swipes, and everything you need to start selling the PLR content instantly. OTO 3, Agency License. If you want to use these assets for multiple clients or sell them as a service, the agency license is a great upgrade. All of these are optional. But if you're serious about reselling the content, I recommend OTO 1 and OTO 2.
Hey, smart marketers and entrepreneurs. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of spending hours filming, editing, and posting health and wellness content that barely gets attention? Still paying freelancers hundreds of dollars just to produce a few recipe clips? What if you could skip all of that, no cameras, no editing, no stress, and still launch your own professional, high-protein culinary content business today? Because something big is about to drop. For the first time ever, we're launching a never-before-seen, done-for-you content system built for one of the hottest, fastest-growing trends online, the global high-protein and healthy living movement. This isn't recycled or outdated PLR. This is fresh, professionally crafted, mouth-watering content, filmed, written, and packaged for creators who want to profit from what the world is already craving. If you've ever wanted to tap into a booming niche with zero production work, this is your moment. Introducing Protein Meals Recipe Videos with Unrestricted PLR, your complete, done-for-you library of ready-to-sell, culinary masterpiece videos and beautifully written recipe ebooks, all created for today's booming health and wellness audience. You'll get 150 professionally filmed HD recipe videos, featuring irresistible, high-protein meals that look and taste amazing on camera. From vibrant breakfast bowls to hearty dinner plates, every clip is designed to grab attention and keep your viewers engaged on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. And that's not all, you'll also receive 30 fully editable, premium recipe ebooks, each one visually stunning and loaded with chef-quality inspiration across 3 mouth-watering niches. 10 beef, lamb and red meat recipe ebooks. 10 vegan protein and plant-based meal ebooks. 10 eggs and breakfast proteins ebooks. Every single piece of content is done for you, fully customizable, fully brandable, and comes with unrestricted private label rights. You can rebrand, resell, license, or repurpose everything and keep 100% of the profits. No filming, no editing, no production costs. Just a complete digital business ready to launch instantly. This is your shortcut to tapping into the multi-billion-dollar health and wellness market and building your brand with professional, visually irresistible culinary content your audience already craves. And to make it even better, we're including a bonus pack of 600 plus healthy cooking shorts and reels, crafted to drive viral engagement and skyrocket your reach. The demand is real. The trend is unstoppable. And the timing, perfect. This isn't just another unrestricted PLR deal, it's a culinary content revolution for marketers who want results without the grind. Click below to unlock protein meals recipe videos with unrestricted PLR and step into a world of healthy diet, done-for-you content that builds authority, engagement, and profit. Your audience is hungry for it, and now, you have everything you need to feed the demand.
Now, if you grab protein meals recipe videos through the link below, you'll also unlock an exclusive bonus pack worth over $3,000. Here are 10 of the top bonuses you're getting. WP Slideshow Master. Create beautiful recipe galleries for your site. WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your site instantly. Lead Book Generator. Perfect for building lists with your new ebooks. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside emails for more sales. Conversion Equalizer. Boost your Google Ads conversion rate. Slide Up Bar Plugin. Build your email list faster with high-impact bars. Website Pouch Pro. Hide or reveal any content you want on your pages. 100 ready-made niche blogs. Build authority sites instantly. Keyword Research Ninja 2. 0. Find profitable keywords for your recipe niche. Affiliate Marketing Thrive Training. Grow your affiliate income step by step. These bonuses alone are worth more than the price of the entire product. And they're only available through the link below. My final verdict? Protein meals recipe videos with unrestricted PLR is a powerful shortcut for anyone who wants to start a digital business fast. You get ready-made videos, ready-made ebooks, commercial rights, and a viral content bonus, all at a tiny price. But the bonuses are limited to the first 25 buyers or 48 hours, whichever comes first, and once the launch discount ends, the price will increase. So click the link below right now to secure your access and claim your bonus package before it's gone. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop any questions in the comments. I reply to everyone. Once you purchase through the link below, your bonuses will be delivered automatically inside your Warrior Plus account under Access Affiliate Bonus. Click the link below now, grab Protein Meals recipe videos, and I'll see you on the inside.